going, Jen, have you seen my hammer?
No, but I can help you look for it.
Let's go.
The house we live in needs some fixing, so we're gonna try some DIY. We don't need these instructions, and this is why. 'Cause nothing looks easier than DIY.
Ow! I can't believe what I've just done. I wanted to knock that nail, but I knocked my thumb.
Ow! My face is going red, 'cause the shelf I put up has just landed on my head. Why, oh why are we so bad at DIY? No matter how we try, we're bad at DIY. Why are we so bad at DIY? No matter how we try, we're bad at DIY. Watch out for that bucket of paint there, boy.
Oh, man!
I made us a table, it looked mighty tough. But when we sat down to dinner, all the legs fell off. We put taps in the kitchen, but had to run out. 'Cause water came from everywhere except the spout. Uh-oh, don't think I used enough paste, 'cause wallpaper's falling down all over the place.
Uh-oh! I can't help but frown, 'cause the leather I'm on is falling down.
Why are we so bad at DIY? No matter how we try, we're bad at DIY. Why are we so bad at DIY? No matter how we try, we're bad at DIY. Maybe we should read those instructions after all.
Oh, Milky, oh, Kemi, Jen, Derek. Oh, I've got news. Scruffy has just got a new big boy bed.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's in the shape of a racing car.
Wow, Scruffy is very lucky.
Yeah. I was, wondering, maybe...
Yes?
Could I get a big boy bed, please, please, please?
Of course you can, Shake.
Are you sure you're ready for a big boy bed?
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, Scruffy's got a big boy bed. I don't see why I can't have one.
Well, in that case, Shake, we'll make you one. It'll be a fun project for us all.
Yeah, it's going to be lots of fun. I'll finally get to use my tools.
Oh, I'll start making a list.
And I'll draw a plan of what it should look like.
Derek, I'll help you design it. Just as soon as I've had a little bit of a sleep.
Oh, this is going to be great.
Yes, it definitely will. Let's ask the milkshakers who builds and fixes things at their house.
My dad always fixes things when it gets broken. Mummy. My daddy. And my mummy. My daddy is trying to fix the bathtub because it leaks when we try to have a bath. The repair people. Mummy. I always fix things when it gets broken.
Oh, there you are, Jen. Look, I've finished Shake's design. What do you think?
Wow, Milky, this is really good. Well done.
This is brilliant, Milky. Shake's going to love it.
Yeah, and I've started a list of all the materials we need to make his bed.
But before you finish that list, let's head off to Storyland.
Yeah.
At the bottom of the garden lived a gnome, a fairy and a leprechaun. It was a dark, rainy day. Not much fun for gnomes.
Oh, horrible rain!
Hello there, gnomes. What are you doing out in this rain?
This is what I'll do. I'm a gnome. I'll stand still by the pond with my fishing rod.
But you look cold. Why don't you go home to your house?
I don't have a house. I'm a gnome. This is what I'll do. Stand by the pond with my fishing rod.
Oh. Well, maybe I could use some leprechaun magic and build you a lovely house.
A house? Oh, lovely. Yes, please.
Right, let me see what I've got. Drippity, droppity, splottity, my. Make gnome a house that's cosy and dry.
Hooray! Thank you, leprechaun. A cosy house made of straw.
You're very welcome, gnome. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye. See you later.
Gnome settled into his new house and the rain kept pouring.
Oh no! My house has sprung a leak! Abandon us! Abandon us!
Whoa! Where's the fire?
No fire fairy! Water!
Oh dear, Gnome. Well, you shouldn't make houses out of straw. That's just silly. Sticks are what's needed here. Rivety, Ronity, Rosie, make Gnome's house warm and cozy.
Where? Thank you, fairy.
You're very welcome.
And so, once again, Gnome settled into his new house as the wind started to howl.
Oh! Earthquake! I better run and hide! Oh no! My house is blowing away!
What's going on, gnomes?
Leprechaun, that lovely house of sticks that fairy built me is blowing away!
Oh, that silly fairy magic.
Excuse me? Well, it's better than making a house out of straw. That's ridiculous. I can fix this.
No, I will fix this.
No, I think my magic is much better.
More magic! We're gonna build another house the gnome way. We're gonna build it using our hands.
Our hands?
No magic.
Our hands, no magic, and this time we'll build it out of bricks.
Fairy and Leprechaun helped Gnome to build his house of bricks.
Now this is what you call a house. No wind, no rain.
No door.
What? Oh no! Now I won't be able to enjoy my lovely house.
Oh, I'm sorry, Gnome. Will you let us try and fix it?
Yeah, if you let us use a little bit of magic, we'll get you a wonderful front door.
Okay, but be careful.
We're always careful.
With a lot of hard work and a little bit of magic, the three friends built Gnome a lovely new warm and cosy house with a door.
So I have wood, nails, paint and a screwdriver. Have I missed anything?
I think you forgot the hammer, but I know it's in the shed, so I'll go and get it, yeah?
Oh, thank you, Derek. Well, while we wait for Derek, let's meet a milkshaker. It's a beautiful day. There's only one thing that can make it better. Let's meet a milkshaker. What are you doing today?
I'm making castles.
What do you need to build a sandcastle?
Sand!
You need sand and what else?
Water.
Water and what else? Do I need a spade?
Yeah.
This is a
bucket.
And a bucket. Well, I've got a bucket and a spade and some sand. So what do I need to do next?
Put it on the bucket.
Put it in the bucket. Okay. Any ideas where this sand came from?
A sand shop.
A sand shop.
No.
That's a good idea.
No, it's from at the beach.
At the beach. What does it feel like?
It's nice.
It's nice. Are we ready? Everyone helping? Right, we're going to tip it upside down. Watch your fingers. Do you think it worked? Let's pat it. Let's pat the spades. Get your spade and pat it. Everybody pat it. Have you got one? That's it. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Okay. Has it worked? Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lift it gently. Lift it gently. Well, that's not bad, is it? Not bad.
I just want to make it a little bit all...
Gonna make it neater?
Yeah.
Shall we pat round the edges? That's a good one, isn't it? It's very round, a very round house. It looks like an igloo, a sand igloo. The best thing about building sandcastles is that you can knock them down and start all over again. I've had loads of fun meeting a milkshaker. Building sandcastles is great. Shall we say meet a milkshaker?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready? We're going to shout it at the camera after 3. 1, 2, 3. Meet a milkshaker! Kemi, think you're holding it the wrong way.
Oopsie daisy, I think I could do with a break.
Yeah, I think we all could. Why don't we have a go at the sunny shake?
Oh, that's brilliant, and you can join in at home. Here comes the music.
Yeah. Are we ready?
All right, come on, I want to see you. Right, we're gonna jump.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're gonna wobble down, right down,
Wobble down.
everybody.
Come on, right down. Oh, yeah.
Heads, shoulders,
Woo.
and again. Oh, brilliant.
Yeah. Elbows next. Elbows. Come on.
Right,
Come on.
wind your waist.
Wind your waist.
Who's ready for some more head shoulders? Here we go. And again.
Knees.
Now swimming. Woo.
Nice, Jen. It is. Nice and refreshing.
Now jumping.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Left, right.
Do you feel? All right.
And again. Left. Oh, down. Left.
Right. Do you feel? All right. Yeah.
After that, I am definitely feeling ready for some more work.
Yeah, but this time we're going to work as a team.
Yes, that's a good idea, Derek. And while we work out who's doing what jobs, you can catch up with those little lodgers.
Jen is doing some DIY and has decided to build a new table and chairs for the little lodgers.
How on earth am I supposed to put all these parts together?
That's easy, Jen. I'll help you.
No, thank you, Derek, but I'd like to build this on my own.
OK, then. I'll leave you to it. I need to go and do me hair.
These instructions are very complicated. Where on earth does this bit go?
Da-dee-dee-da-da. Would you like some help, Jen?
Not at the moment, Kemi, but thank you anyway.
All right, I'll start making us some breakfast then.
So I need to put that bit in there, and then this bit fits into here. That doesn't look right. Oh, these instructions are not helping. Ah, done. There was just far too much wood.
Wow, Jen. What a brilliant table and chairs.
Well done.
Jen, I don't think these chairs are quite big enough.
And, this table's a bit low down, isn't it?
I suppose they are all quite little, aren't they?
They're the perfect size for you, aren't they?
We'll just have to build a bigger table and chair set tomorrow. Wow, this bed is looking really good.
It really is.
Yeah, all we need to do now is paint it. What colour do you think Shake would like it to be?
Maybe blue, or he likes racing cars, red.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
I don't think this will take too long to paint, but I wonder what would take a really long time to paint.
We could ask Professor Chaos.
The fourth bridge in Scotland is one of the longest bridges ever. It's about 29 football pitches long. Go! It has taken 666 cans of paint. Oh, that's a lot of paint. And years and years and years to paint this Scottish bridge. Oh, they're going to need a giant cup of tea and a great big biscuit after painting it.
All done.
Oh, what's wrong, Shake? Don't you like your new bed?
Yes, I really like it. It's just that, well, sleeping in a big bed is a bit scary, isn't it? For the first time all by myself.
Oh, don't worry there, Shake. Everybody has to sleep in a big bed eventually.
Oh, yeah, suppose so.
Think of it as a new adventure. You'll have lots of fun, and you never know, you might even get a milkshake thumbs up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it really is an adventure, isn't it? Oh, yeah, I'm excited now.
Good. Well, before you test out your new big boy bed, Shake, I think we've got time for one more song.
Yeah.
If you want to make a friend, is what you should do. Just approach them with a smile, they'll smile back at you.
Put a smile on. Go on then, give them a smile.
Put a smile on.
Oh, isn't that lovely?
It's good to be happy, cause you know what they say. A whole lot of laughter brightens up your day. Have a good laugh whilst you're slapping your knee. Laugh until you feel it in your tummy. When you wear a frown, you're down, down, down. So go ahead and turn your frown upside down. Put a smile on.
Get out your pearly whites.
Put a smile on.
Oh, now I feel alright.
It's good to be happy, cause you know what they say. A whole lot of laughter keeps the doctor away. Have a good laugh whilst you're slapping your knee. Laugh until you feel it in your tummy. Have a good laugh whilst you're slapping your knee. Laugh until you feel it in your tummy.
Are you ready to try out your new bed then, Shake?
Oh, yes, I love it, Kemi. I was a little bit scared at first about sleeping in it, but now I think it's great.
Oh, well done, Shake. We're very proud of you.
Yes, we are.
Sweet dream, Shake.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.